These 10 everyday foods have more protein than eggs, and most seniors don't know it. I used to think I was doing everything right. Every morning, 2 boiled eggs, a little toast, maybe some fruit. It felt healthy, simple, reliable. But one day, during a regular checkup, my doctor smiled and said, "Eggs are good, but they're not even close to the best." I remember blinking and thinking, wait, what could be better than eggs for protein? And that question sent me down a road that completely changed how I eat after 60. See, once we pass 60, something quiet happens inside our bodies. We don't absorb protein as efficiently anymore. Our muscles, the very things that help us walk, lift, and stay independent, start shrinking faster than we realize. You might notice it when getting out of a chair feels harder, or when your balance isn't quite what it used to be. That's not just getting old. That's your muscles asking for better fuel. And today, I want to show you 10 everyday foods that actually have more protein than eggs, and, even better, are easier for older adults to digest and use. But before we jump into the list, let's set a little framework I like to call timing. Protein works best when you spread it out. A bit in the morning, a bit at lunch, and again at dinner, not just all at once. Balance. Pair protein with healthy fats or fiber, like olive oil or oatmeal, to keep energy steady. Awareness. Notice how your body feels. If you feel bloated, fatigued, or dizzy after a meal, it might mean your protein source or portion needs adjusting. All right, let's get to the list. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, the thick, creamy kind, has almost double the protein of eggs, around 10 grams per 100 grams. It's gentle on digestion because most of the lactose has been strained out, and studies show seniors who have 20 grams of dairy protein a day keep about 25% more muscle than those who don't. Safe tip: go for plain, non-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add a spoon of blueberries and flax seeds for a soft breakfast that supports your muscles and your gut. Chickpeas, those little beige beans hiding in your pantry, pack around 11 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus fiber and magnesium. Fiber helps control inflammation and supports digestion, which keeps your body using protein more effectively. Caution: if you're on certain heart or kidney medications, just watch your portion and stay hydrated. Chickpeas are safe, but their potassium can add up. Enjoy them in soups, salads, or even roasted with paprika as a crunchy snack. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that has all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat or fish. That's why it's called a complete protein. One cooked cup gives you about 14 grams, and it's also rich in lysine, great for muscle repair and calcium absorption. Best timing: have quinoa at lunch with veggies or lean protein. It keeps blood sugar steady, so you stay full and strong all afternoon. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are small but powerful, 19 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're loaded with magnesium, zinc, and iron, all crucial for muscle function and recovery. Just one handful daily can reduce inflammation and even help you sleep better, since magnesium helps calm your nervous system. Safety tip: go unsalted and raw if possible. Sodium and added oils can undo the benefits. Tempeh is a fermented soybean block that tastes nutty and firm. It's got about 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than eggs, plus probiotics for your gut. Fermentation makes the nutrients easier to absorb, and your gut health directly affects how your body uses protein. Pan-sear slices with soy sauce and a bit of olive oil, add to salads or wraps. Your gut and muscles will both thank you. Spirulina is a blue-green algae with 29 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's nearly triple the protein of eggs. Even better, it's 85% absorbable, meaning your body can use almost all of it. It's also known to reduce inflammation markers and improve blood flow. You can stir a teaspoon into smoothies or oatmeal. It looks green, but don't be afraid of the color. It's a gentle, natural strength booster. If you've learned something new so far, please hit that like button. It really helps more people your age discover videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to Live Well, Age Well, where we share science-based tips to stay strong and independent after 60. Soft, nutty hemp seeds give you about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. And they're rare because their amino acids almost perfectly match what your body needs. They also contain GLA, a healthy fat that eases joint stiffness and supports brain clarity. Just sprinkle a tablespoon on your oatmeal or soup. No cooking required. But don't heat them too much. High heat can break down the oils. This one surprises people. It's made from the protein part of wheat, called gluten. Seitan offers a stunning 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, higher than beef. It's easy to digest, low in fat, and very filling. Just pan-sear with olive oil and garlic, or add it to veggie stir-fries. Caution: skip seitan if you have celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Aged Parmesan, the real kind, is not just delicious. It packs 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus calcium and leucine, the amino acid that tells your muscles to rebuild. Because it's aged, it's easy to digest, even for many people who don't tolerate milk well. Just 30 grams, a few spoonfuls, can be enough to support daily repair. And at number 1, a food most people have never heard of: dried fish powder. Made from dehydrated whitefish like cod or pollock, it delivers an incredible 63 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's nearly 5 times the protein in eggs. It dissolves easily into soups or mashed veggies and is perfect if you struggle with appetite or chewing. Clinical trials show it can help seniors regain lean muscle even without exercise, just consistent intake. You see, protein after 60 isn't about building big muscles. It's about keeping what you already have: your balance, your independence, your confidence. Even small changes add up. A spoon of yogurt in the morning, a handful of seeds in your salad, a sprinkle of Parmesan at dinner. That's the beauty of it: gentle steps with big rewards. Do. Eat some protein at every meal. Combine with fiber and healthy fat. Stay hydrated to help your kidneys process protein. Avoid skipping breakfast or eating all protein at once. Overdoing salty or processed meats. Watch for fatigue, slow healing, or weaker grip, signs your body may need more high-quality protein. Question: can I eat eggs too? Absolutely. Eggs are still great, just not your only source. Question 2: I'm on kidney medication. Is more protein safe? Talk to your doctor. Sometimes smaller, spread-out portions are better. Question 3: is plant protein really enough for seniors? Yes, when you mix different sources like quinoa, legumes, and seeds. Question 4: what's the best time to eat protein? Morning and midday are ideal. Your body uses it better when you're active. Question 5: do I need protein powder? Not necessarily. Whole foods work beautifully when eaten consistently. So, which of these foods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else who's struggling to eat better. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Live Well, Age Well, where every episode is about aging strong, safely, and joyfully. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not personal medical advice. If you have chronic conditions or take medications, please talk with your doctor or pharmacist before changing your diet or supplements.